Next up is the branding tab. Everything here is for actually the logon page, changing the logo, updating some of the verbiage that appears. If you do want to make changes, make sure you click edit first. Now the first thing you can do is change the actual logo on the login page. So if we take a look at the login page, here's the actual logo that we have for the contact page, and the resource page is the same. So if you want to upload your logo, you can delete the existing one, and then you can click on more actions and you can actually go ahead and add a new one, and you can preview it at the same time. Now what you'll be able to do here is, if you take a look, when you are going to upload a new logo, here are some requirements. So the image file size has a direct impact on loading time of the login page. Smaller file size is strongly recommended. Check that your image file conforms to the following guidelines. So format must be a PNG. Logo image ratio 600 by 400 pixels, and a transparent image is recommended. So again, the bigger the file size, the slower the page will load. So try to keep the file size as small as possible. Now, scrolling down to the next section, you have logon page description for contact, logon page description for resources. So come here whenever you need access to your depot calendar, invoices, transcripts, and more. So that information right there for the contact side, if I flip over to RB Connect, is right here in the middle. And then the bottom section right here for the resources, again, is right there in the middle. So all of the verbiage there is editable by you guys. And I would just make sure you center everything, so as you can see, it centers it right in the middle of the page right there. So you can change all that. You can change the font size, you can add links, you can add images, you can really do whatever you want if you noticed right there, which is nice. Scrolling down, you have the logon page title for contacts, which is the section over here to the left, welcome to your online office. And then on the right side, you have the logon title page for the resources, welcome to your online office. And again, same thing. So you can change that. You can change the background color of the page as well. Ours just happens to be set to white. And then right here, this is the top logo. So this section up here is for the logon logo. This will be for the logo at the top left, similar to the one that you seeing up here at the top left. And again, these are the guidelines to follow. Make sure it's a PNG, 80 by 50 pixels, transparent image is recommended. And then right here, these are some colors you can actually choose to actually have the look and feel of RB Connect change with different colors. So if you want to modify a color, all you have to do is simply click on the select color for the actual section you want to edit, and a palette will come up, and you can do simple or you can choose advanced if you want to create your own. You can enter the actual code here if you want, but basically all you do is pick the new color and it will automatically update to whatever you guys want. And then, as with everything, when you're done, make sure you click save at the top right.